Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and you are understanding what has been explained. Welcome back. Welcome back to the class of Boolean algebra. And in the previous session, we had discussed Boolean algebra session number 21. Today's class, we will be continuing with session number 22. And even today's class, we will be simplifying some of the Boolean expressions. Dear students, welcome back. Let's have a discussion on Boolean algebra, which is chapter number 2, and today's session is part number 22. And let's quickly have a look and just see what is the weightage of this chapter. So the weightage of this chapter, the new weightage, as I have been explaining you in the previous session, that the weightage of this chapter has been changed from 13 marks to 16 marks. So let's have a look and see what are the how the distribution is done. 1 mark, uh, 1 question, 2 mark, 1 question, 3 mark, 1 question, and 5 marks, 2 question. This is the pattern of this chapter's questions in the annual exam. So now let's move on to the next topic, or we'll just have a recap. As you know that in the previous session we have been discussing, and previous session and this session as well, will be discussing the simplification or minimization of Boolean expression. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮತ್ತು ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾಯಿಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ we have simplified few of the expressions, and today we will be continuing with the further simplification. So let's get started and let's check the recap and the highlights of this session is same, because even today we will be discussing the simplification and minimization of the Boolean expression. So let's get started and let's reduce the given expression x bar y bar z bar plus x bar y bar x bar y z bar plus x y bar and z bar and then x y z bar. So let us note down this and let us try to reduce this. X bar y bar z bar plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y z bar. Let's see how we can do this. So let's try to simplify this expression. So it is x bar so it is x bar so it is x bar y bar z bar plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y and z bar. So now let us see the common terms between the first two. As you can see, x bar and z bar is common. By factoring, let us remove x bar and z bar, and then so here y bar plus y remains. So similarly, in these two expressions there is x and z bar is common. So when we remove x and z bar, there will be y bar plus y. So now as we can apply the complementary laws. The complementary law says that if a variable odd with its complement, it is same as it is equal to 1. So therefore it will be x bar z bar and 1 plus x bar z bar and then 1. So it will be x bar z bar plus x z bar, and again we can see there is z bar is common in both the terms. So x z bar na ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. So x bar plus x. So now as we know that the complementary laws, so z bar ANDed with 1, that is equal to z bar. So this is how we can simplify the given expression, that is x bar y bar z bar and x bar plus y z bar and x y bar z bar. So let's do it again. Let's start and let's simplify the expression again. Kindly pay attention and also kindly adjust with the handwriting. So it is x bar y bar z bar plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y bar z bar. So now both the terms you can see x bar is common, so we can remove by factoring. We can take out x bar and z bar. After removing x bar and z bar, y bar remains and y. So plus, so in the both the terms there is z bar, x and z bar common. So x z bar na ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ first term ಅಲ್ಲಿ y bar ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ plus. So here again we will have, so actually this is so here y remains. As you can apply the complementary laws, x bar z bar and y plus y bar is 1 plus x z bar, y plus y bar is again 1. Anything ANDed with 1 is the same. X and x is x only. Therefore, x bar and z bar ANDed with 1 is x bar and z bar plus x z bar. As you can see, there is a common term in both, that is z bar. X bar plus x. So z bar, x plus x bar is again 1. Anything ANDed with z bar is z bar. So now this is how we can simplify. So let us take one more example. Simplify the following Boolean expression. So now let us take the first example, that is A bar BC plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A B bar C. So let us see how we can simplify this. It is A bar B C plus A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A bar B bar and C. Let us see how we can simplify this by using the algebraic method. Let us take first two expressions A bar B C. Illi A bar B C bar ide. So closely observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ A bar B ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಂಗ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ A bar B ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ there will be C and C bar remaining plus A B bar C bar ಇದೆ. So common is B bar and once we remove B bar, so there will be A and C bar plus A bar C. Now when we apply the complementary law, A bar B C plus the complementary law, C plus C bar is equal to 1 plus B bar. Let us shuffle and let us keep A there, A and C bar. Let's just shuffle C and A bar. A bar C ಇರೋದನ್ನ C A bar ಮಾಡಬಹುದು because so there is a law which says that xy is equal to yx. So A bar C is equal to C A bar. That is, we can shuffle it. A bar B ANDed with one is A bar B plus B bar ANDed with, so A ANDed with C bar plus C is equal to 1 ANDed with A bar. Now A bar B plus B bar, so anything ANDed with 1 is same, A ANDed with A bar. So now it is A bar B plus B bar. As we know that if a variable is ANDed with its complement, it is 0. So now A bar B plus B bar into 0 is 0. So A bar B. This is the simplified expression. A bar B C bar plus A B bar C bar plus A B bar C. So now let's simplify this expression. So let us take the first expression and let us take the common factors. As you can see, A bar B is common in both the expressions. So let us take A bar B outside the expression and C and C bar remains. Similarly, in the second expression we have A and B bar is common. When we remove it, there remains C bar plus C. So now A bar B C plus C bar is 1 plus A B bar C plus C bar is 1. Now A bar, anything ANDed with 1 is same as the variable. So A bar B ANDed with 1 is A bar B and A bar A B bar ANDed with 1 is A B bar. Now let us see, is there any common terms in both the expression? As you can see, there are no common terms. So what we can do is we can do the shuffling. So we can do the shuffling by, let's keep A bar B plus, let us move B bar A. A bar B plus B bar is 1 ANDed with A. So it will be A bar A. A ANDed with A bar is, that is equal to 0. So this is how we can simplify the given expression. So let us take another expression, that is A bar C A bar C plus A bar B plus A B bar C bar plus BC. So let's simplify. So it is A bar C plus A bar B A bar C plus A bar B plus A B bar C bar plus B C. So now just see the common factors. So as you can see in the first we have the common factor, that is A bar, and then C plus B plus, as in the expression. So we can see here there is no common term. So what we can do is we can do the shuffling. A B bar C bar plus C and B. So A bar C plus B plus A B bar. So as you can see here, C plus C bar is 1 ANDed with B. Then we have A bar C plus B plus A B bar B. So A bar C plus B plus, so ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ B, we can apply complementary law, so it will be A B bar ANDed with B is 0, so it will be A bar plus B plus 0. Sorry. So it is A bar C plus B, anything ANDed with 0 is 0. So it will be A bar C plus B. So further we will not be able to simplify, so we keep the same answer. So hope you have understood this. Kindly note down the following expressions and you can apply different Boolean theorems and you can try to simplify. So this is the method where we simplify the Boolean expressions using algebraic method. There is another method. As you see, this method is little complicated. Until and unless you know the Boolean theorems, you will not be able to simplify. Ella Boolean theorems ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್, ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ತುಂಬ ಲೆಂತಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ we have to use the different Boolean theorems and we go on applying Boolean theorems, then only we will be able to simplify ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, there is another method. The other method is called map method. This complicated method ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. I know many of you, you may be confused little. So many steps we are following. So simplification 3 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ 5 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Sometimes it is asked for 3 marks and sometimes it is asked for 5 marks. So hope you have understood. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಈ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಇ ಇದು ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಓಕೆ ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು simplify. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಓಕೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ if you have any doubts you can get back to me. So hope you have understood today's class. We learn about the simplification. ಇವತ್ತು simplification ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Simplify ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ we have used algebraic method. So I hope you have all understood this today's class, and we will be continuing the simplification using map method in the next session. Thanks for your patience listening. God bless you all.